My inner world changed completely, and I was calm and composed from within. Every year she's getting promotions. Now I'm able to I vibrate very much higher. My goal is to trek and travel to all over the world.
So, welcome to another Rise to Fame interview with a beautiful soul, energy queen, Vrishali. And she's got lots of win in every area of her life. But she wants to talk about mainly for her relationships, how she used to be so stressed in a relationship. And now she's just flowing with joy. So, over to you, Vrishali, and let everybody know your relationship with.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm so grateful. Yes, I would like to talk about. In fact, I have wins in all the areas of my life, but since joining, I have been regular with all the system, with all the applications, and listening to you. I have. I will like to first tell everybody that I've never missed a single class of yours. And now I realize that listening to you, what happens is your words act as affirmations to me, and yes, and I keep on listening to the recordings, the morning energizers, and everything helped me increase my energy. And of course, relationships. Earlier, what happened was, I'll tell you in just 2 lines. I was a major challenger type personality, and I didn't know that. And I was also a perfectionist, and being my mother used to be very ill, so I was very hard on my own self, and I tried to take being a challenger personality, tried to take control of situations and people,
Hmm.
but it led to people were of course I'm not I was not able to control anything, and my age was also it was 50 when I joined you, and now I'm 55. So menopause and too much of anxiety, stress, and my health issues were I had severe neck pain. I had a complete lack of sleep, and the relationships were affected completely with my husband, with my parents, with my daughters, and for my parents also. I am here alone, and I used to feel completely lack of love and lack of support, complete, because I am alone here. But even though I used to do everything, but in my mind, it was always that I'm not supported, I'm not loved. So
Hmm.
that was the main issue.
That's the big one.
And
Yes.
yes.
Hmm. So now
So
tell us
that,
the changes after you've joined the system. You said that you've not missed a class. So what
yes,
are your
ma'am.
results and how have you achieved your success? Let us everybody know that.
Yes, ma'am. I continuously applied. Like I did the affirmations, I did the journaling initially, and then when you started basic like the things like evidences, right? Evidences about your wins, and then when I realized what you focus on will grow. So 90% of the things were like very good for me, in fact, but I was focusing only on the 10% which was not working for me, and I was continuously blaming or complaining, and
Hmm.
which was like increasing then more for me. Then
Hmm.
I when I took 100% responsibility for my own self, then what
Hmm.
happened was my inner world changed, ma'am, completely, because of
Okay.
the Ho'oponopono, the EFT, the
Hmm.
all the techniques. My inner world changed completely, and I was calm and composed from within.
And
And
then what happened? So what happened when your inner world changed? What was the reflection on the outer world?
yes, ma'am. Then automatically, like everything, my kids, my parents, my husband, they they are the best. They are the best. They were always the best. It was only my fear or my anxiety which was reflecting on all the situations, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes. So now
Yes.
are you happy in your relationships? So your inner world change, you are no more in anxiety, you're more calmer, you are seeing things differently now, you're focusing on your blessings now. So as a result, let's hear something about your, like a family. Do you get more support from them more? Maybe your children or maybe your parents. So how are they responding differently? How have you healed your relationships with them? So when you are different with them, are they
Yes,
also
ma'am.
different with you? My question is that. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just give a small example. My father is 88, okay, and my mother is 78. So I've never said I love you to them, but I just sit with them and I say, I'm saying Ho'oponopono for you, and you close your eyes and you say it for your parents. So, like simple things like that. And even my father was admitted for a pacemaker, and 3 days I was there in ICU, but I just kept an intention that he's getting well, and I kept on writing Ho'oponopono for him, and he was like perfect. All right. And imagine earlier the situation used to be like continuous anxiety that I'm unsupported and I'm alone. I'm not able to, like, I won't be able to do all this and fear.
So you
But
can
it's
handle
completely
situations
changed.
much better
Yes.
now, right? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
let's talk about your children. Are they good now? So because you said that, you were anxious about your children also. So I mean, are you happy with their progress now?
Yes, ma'am, perfectly. Like elder one now, she's like every year she's getting promotions, and I taught her like now you'd be looking for a partner for her. So I told her like you have to be vibrating at the your highest level, so you will attract the best partner.
Yes.
So even
So I
she
think when
attends
your
her.
energy rises, your children energy rises also,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes.
And when I'm going on my trips and I go on my trekking. So my husband takes care of my kids very well. And you won't
Nice.
believe, like he cooks also nowadays. Like this has been a drastic change in him.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this, Vishali. So I can see your happiness and I can see that relationships are really growing. Any other area which you would like to talk about?
Yes, in health, as I said, I had severe neck pain and lack of sleep. Now I'm able to like I vibrate very much higher. My goal is to trek and travel to all over the world, which I'm like manifesting. And in NLP I realized 95% is your subconscious mind. So beautifully I'm able to tap into that. For example, if I want to go to the Kailash Mansarovar, then I'll continuously look at those videos. Then I'll plan. I'll keep my fitness for that level. For the whole year I will plan for the money and money how I'll be arranging. So all my actions are aligned towards my goal for that particular thing. So in each
Amazing.
and every area, like for this year, for the next 5 years, 10 years. So in every areas I have my goals, and I'm like just beautifully I'm
So you
attracting
have
it.
your goals, but this is since you've already won in a lot of your areas. That's what I know, Vishali, right?
Yes.
So every year it's like, have you been manifesting also? So every trek that you have actually visualized that has come true for you, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
you've gone there beautifully. Am I right,
Yes,
Vishali?
ma'am.
Yes, amazing,
Oh,
super.
and here, what I most realized, was if even though if I'm trekking, I feel it now in every cell of my body. I feel so alive. Like even though if I'm going for Zumba, so I used to just dance for the sake of it, but now I feel the vibration in every cell of my body. It's like
Hmm.
that now,
So are
complete
you saying that
change.
you're feeling more fulfilled from within?
Yes, more aware.
Okay,
And
more aware.
like how you say, like you should keep on asking what you want. So I just, in my intentions, I keep on saying what I want from my life.
Amazing. Thank
And
you so
even
much,
my younger
Vishali. And
younger daughter,
yes,
she is also doing her law. So she'll be doing her second year LLB, and she wears such beautiful that black coat and goes to the court for the full day, ma'am. And I feel so proud for
I
that.
remember you telling me that you were worried about her. What will happen to this girl? I remember that line. Yes, so
Yes,
thank you
ma'am.
so much for sharing this. I know that your family is blessed now, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
yes, and money is also flowing into your life. It happens every time, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. With my energy, money is energy, ma'am, completely. With my highest energy, I'm attracting money from each and every source, from like different sources.
Super duper amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this, Vishali. God bless you with more and more wins. Thank you for inspiring so many energy queens. Thank you, my dear. Super duper
Thank you.
amazing. Thank you.